Today on This Guy's Garage,
How to use old school headlight adjusters.
coming up.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, when Dad was doing the inspections, once I learned to do one, I got to do them all. All right, I'll show you. Here, Sim. So, soft bubble there, right?
Yeah.
So, it's gonna go basically down that much.
Yeah.
So, screwdriver. Or you can change these to kind of see how many degrees it's out. But all I do is just either pick up or push down on it. You push down on it, then you know that the bulb has to come out at the top. And if you see here, see
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
it's all you want to do is get them to line up so they meet each other. So that they're very close. This one's very close. Just has to come over just a little bit. Let's check the other side. They're pretty much hitting the center of the road where they need to be. This one's the same way. It's got a this one's darn close. They're both darn close. And when you're using these adjusters, you want to be standing on the outside, because if you're standing on the inside, you're going to block your mirror.
Yeah.
So you set all your dials to 0. Just make sure you're on a flat floor. You just want to be center bubble, and that will give you a level headlight. Now we'll tow the lights in. Perfect. This one's a little bit more. Perfect. So there's 2 mirrors in there. And you just want them to line up with them 2 lines to line up with each other.
Yeah.
So that mirror is reflecting off. So it's basically 2 sets of lines. Over to this side. And all that is a suction cup. It goes up against your headlight. You pull it back. When you release it, you just press that button. And it'll let go just like this. And if you're using these aimers on a regular halogen headlights, you need these attachments right here. And you go by this number here, 10, 0, and 13. So you bring these numbers out. The top number would be 10. The outside number would be 13. And the inside number will stay at 0.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. All questions are always answered. And subscribe, it always helps us out. And likes are greatly appreciated.